Greetings from Querix. In today's video, we are going to show you an example of multiprocess 0MQ usage with Lycia 4GL. This first program in our example is the task generator. The program opens a socket, creates the tasks and sends them to the socket. The second program here is the task result receiver. The task result receiver can be run in the same process with the task generator, but can also be run as a separate application, like in this example. And this is one of 4 task worker applications. The task worker application receives a task, processes it and sends the result to the task result receiver application. Let's start these 4 task worker applications, the task generator and the task result receiver, and see how they work together. After the tasks generator program receives your command to send tasks, it sends 10 tasks to the socket. The free task worker process takes an available task from the socket. When the task has been done, the task worker sends the result to the task result receiver.